In this tutorial, we will see how to delete comments on Instagram. Whether you want to remove spam or inappropriate content, or just delete a comment you do not like, this tutorial will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Go to the post that contains the comments you want to delete. You can do that by going to the profile page. Below the post, tap on the comment bubble icon to view all the comments. Scroll through the comments until you find the one you want to delete. Swipe left on the comment to reveal the Options menu. From the Options menu, select the Delete option. A confirmation window will appear. Tap on the Delete button to confirm that you want to delete the comment. You can also delete multiple comments at once. If you want to delete multiple comments at once, tap in three dots menu from the top. Now tap on Manage Comments. Then tap on the checkboxes that appear next to the other comments you want to delete. Finally, tap on the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the delete action. If you delete multiple comments from a person, you can receive this notice to block people. You can block them or simply just tap on the other part of the screen and this will go away. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted comments on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.